What's been shown to be really beneficial within China is by getting lots of people to self-isolate themselves, they were able to slow down the transmission and reduce the high numbers of new cases going into hospitals at any one time. This then maximises the medical facilities. What we don't want is lots of transmission occurring, which then would put too much strain on our health services. So it's all the things that we can do as individuals to protect ourselves and to protect each other. So it's about washing our hands regularly. It's about coughing into our elbow. It's about staying at home if you feel sick, or staying at home if you think you've been exposed to the virus and seeking help. You may be young, fit and healthy, and this virus may just occur for you as a flu-like illness. But somebody who has heart disease, diabetes, somebody in their 60s or 70s may be at risk of much more severe disease, so you want to do what you can do to protect them as well.